Hi, I'm Steven. Today I want to show you our Bräu line of kettles, and they're made from 1.5 mil stainless. They're suitable for induction, they're suitable for gas, and they're suitable for inserting electrical elements inside. We make them in two configurations. So what you're looking at here is our 4-port configuration, and I'll show you the ports in a second. And also we make it in a 6-port configuration. I'll show you that one a little bit later in the video. So this is a 20-gallon size, and you can see at the front we've got a port, and we put it pretty much as low as we possibly could so that it easily accepts a brewing element. And here in the front you probably want to put a valve on it of some sort. A butterfly valve is really handy, and then a port up high. Now this port here can be used for a bunch of different things. You can use it to whirlpool back into it. You can use it for a steam condenser as well. So a steam condenser mount, instead of needing to get a special clamp and a lid assembly, you can literally just attach a steam condenser at the top. I'm going to turn the kettle around, and you can see here in the back we've got 2 ports. Now they're 45 degrees off the center, so these are 90 degrees at opposite sides, and they're at the exact same height as the port in the front. I like to use these ports, one for a temperature sensor input, and the other one would be great to put a brewing element. Let's say if you were brewing with 120 volts and you wanted to put 2 elements into the 4-port kettle, you could do that as well. And I'll show you the inside of the kettle. So the inside of the kettle, you can see that we've got etched gallon and liter markers. They're never going to wear off. And we've got silicone covered handles, which also are a perfect way to hang the lid on the side. So here is our 6-port version of the kettle, and I'll start by showing you that it's got the exact same position of the ports in the front, the 2 ports, and the 2 ports in the back. The only difference between the Bräu 4-port kettle versus the 6-port kettle is the addition of these 2 ports here. Now the spacing of these 2 ports accommodates our 50-foot Herms coil, which can be inserted in the inside. Sometimes we're finding brewers love to use the 6-port kettle as a boil kettle as well. You could put the sensor, temperature sensor, and you could put the whirlpool arm in the back. Thanks again, and catch you the next time.